Hi, this is High Vibrational Foods, vegan, gluten-free. And in this pan, we have the basis for my evening meal. And I'm not going for a savory meal this evening. It's very hot here in San Miguel de Allende. And I have some beautiful mango chopped up here. One sort of small mango. I've got some slithered almonds, which I've just chopped lengthways with a knife. And a banana. Okay, so in here, what I've done is I've cooked until it's this beautiful creamy rice. I've got 1.5 handfuls of rice. You can use just long grain rice. And I've added mostly soya milk, but then with a little dash, each time I've added more milk, I've put a dash of water as well, which is mineral water as usual. We only use mineral water here on High Vibrational Foods. So this is now simmered for quite a long time. I reckon it's about 40 minutes now, and it's gone lovely and creamy. I've had to add more milk and that dash of water a couple of times. And what I've added is a little bit of ground ginger and some ground cinnamon. And then I've added a good grind of black pepper, because I'm not really looking for this to be totally sweet. This is an evening meal. So what we're going to do now is put this in the bowl and just add the chopped mango, the almonds and the banana. And what you have here is delicious. I've got quite a large bowl here, by the way, because this is all I'm going to be eating this evening. So what you have here is a very nutritious, beautiful, creamy meal. You don't have to stick to what someone so long ago once decided we would stick to for our meals, like, say,